Welcome to the third video in the series MCP-use library. Very nice, very simple to use MCP client library. So if you have an automation agency, you will definitely build AI-based application, agentic application, and these days we can't think of building an application without connecting it to an MCP server. And in order to connect to an MCP server, you need to have client libraries. And I think this is one of the simplest client library. I have covered Pydantic, Agno, etc. Welcome to Techie Talks AI. I am Sri from Shogini. On this channel, we bring you hands-on demonstrations and insights into the latest tools and trends to help you get started with ease. Don't forget to subscribe and be a part of our journey into the future of technology. Okay, so we saw on the first video, we saw how we can connect to a local STDIO based MCP server. Second video, we saw how we can connect to a remote SSE HTTP transport based MCP server. And in this video, we are going to see some additional features this MCP-use has. Okay, so this we have covered. Configuration file support has been covered. We are going to see multi-server support. Okay, so where in the configuration we can have two MCP servers, two or more MCP servers defined. Then what we can do is we can use those together in a single prompt. So here it says search for a nice place to stay in Barcelona on Airbnb. Then use Google to find the nearby restaurants and attractions. So first it will use Airbnb to find the accommodation information, and from there it gets the location, and then it will use Google find nearby restaurants and attractions. Okay, so that is the example that we will see in this video. This is the multi.py which I have created, where in this dictionary I have defined 1, 2, 3 servers. And one is Airbnb, another is Playwright, and third is a file system. And then here we are creating the client. So this client object will have 3 MCP server connections. And the beauty is this can be a mixture of local and remote servers. Okay, so here we are defining the agent where we specify the LLM and the client. And in the prompt, what we are saying is, let's say like this, Google News, and save it as news.md. I have already given it access to the results folder, which I have here. Okay, so let's run it and see how it works. Initializing the MCP agent. Agent ready with tools. See here it has accessed the Google News automatically. This will close automatically as well. Okay, it has gone. So let's look at the results folder. Yeah, see, what is the current time? It is 8:55. See here, 8:55, new.md, cat results, new.md. So it has got how many? It has got several news. Okay, 77 news items it got. I should have mentioned top 5 or something. So here it used the Playwright to get the latest news. Then it used the file system MCP server to write it to the results folder. So this is the results folder. So these are the output of this client. So that is clear. So this is how we use multi-server access. So here we can restrict the agent from using certain tools. So here we can specify disallowed tools and mention the list of items there, so that this agent will not access accidentally those tools. That is it for the third video on MCP-use library. Please give your valuable thoughts. Please remember to like, share and subscribe, because these are all practically tested videos that I'm creating. It takes time. I look forward to seeing you again in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.